Hey guys, Lucas here from Vintage Surplus, and today I'm just going to tell you that we've got tourniquets. So, like I said, we've got tourniquets. I'm not going to go into how to use tourniquets. I would recommend you find, whatever medical training is local to you and learn from them. Learn from a very experienced person that's giving good training that you can. I'm not going to show you how to put it on your leg or arm, wherever need be, because you should go get training actually in not real life obviously, but from somebody that's going to train you one-on-one, everything like that. So yeah, but we have Gen 7 cat tourniquets, North American Rescue. So we have the standard red tip ones, which are in use literally all over the freaking world. These are in use by every legitimate military out there, whether it be legitimate North American Rescue ones or they have knockoff ones. Don't buy knockoffs, buy the real ones, because the real ones are actually going to save your life. So yeah, red tip ones. We have orange ones, which are actually really good. They seem obnoxious, but if you are a civilian, which you probably are watching this, I'm a civilian, these are good because they're freaking visible. You're going to see this. You put this on, you have to use this tourniquet. If EMTs, EMS, ambulance gets there, firefighter gets there, another person walks up on you, they're going to see this tourniquet, and that's good. Because if you have a tourniquet on, you want somebody to know that you have a tourniquet on, because it's obviously a serious situation. So the orange ones are awesome. And if you have all black ones and you're not in a tactical environment, I recommend at least having one orange one on you for when you're not in a tactical environment. You're hiking, you're out in the woods, you're around home, in the car. These orange ones are good because they're highly visible. Not quite as tactical as the red tips. We also have blue ones, and the blue ones are for training. Now, everything we understand is they're the same build quality. They could work in real life if you need them to, but the blue ones are good because for training purposes. Now, you don't want to use and abuse your black or orange ones when you're training, because at the end of the day, you're going to wear out parts and features from repeated use. So if you need to practice, you get a blue one so that way you can practice with a real, to the quality, to the spec tourniquet, and that way you know what you're doing. So if you're going to do any training, I recommend getting a blue one just so you have one that is only for training. And you can reuse it repeatedly, and you're good to go, and you're not risking somebody's life or your life when you have to use these ones. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It's more just hey, we've got this kind of stuff more than anything else. So yeah, make sure you head over to VintageSurplus.com. Check out all the medical supplies we've got along with these tourniquets, North American Rescue, and get training on your medical items. Don't just get it and learn when you have to use it, because that's the worst time to have to learn. So yeah, so if you need tourniquets, make sure to pick them up and then get the training you need on the other medical supplies that you can get from VintageSurplus.com.